In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix beginning balance issues when reconciling in QuickBooks Online. If you've started a reconciliation and the beginning balance doesn't match your bank statement, don't worry. This usually comes down to the opening balance entry in your register. Grab your latest bank or credit card statement and note the statement, date and beginning balance, so you can reference the exact numbers. First, open QuickBooks Online and go to Settings, then Chart of Accounts. Locate the specific bank or credit card account you're trying to reconcile. If you have similarly named accounts, double-check the type to be sure you're in the right one. Next, open the account's register by selecting View History or Account History. This shows every transaction that has ever hit that account inside QuickBooks. To find the opening balance quickly, you can sort by date and scroll to the very first entry, or use the search and filter tools. The entry you're looking for is typically labeled Opening Balance and often posts to Opening Balance Equity. It may appear as a deposit for bank accounts or as a charge for credit cards, depending on how the balance was originally entered. Once you've found the opening balance entry, click into it. Compare the amount to the beginning balance on your bank statement for the first period you're reconciling in QuickBooks. If it doesn't match, edit the amount so it matches your statement exactly. Pay attention to the sign. Bank accounts usually show a positive starting cash balance, while credit cards often show the balance you owe, which can appear as a negative number in the register. Also confirm the date. The opening balance should align with the day you began tracking the account in QuickBooks, often the day before your first reconciliation period. When you've made the correction, select Save. If QuickBooks shows a warning about changing a reconciled transaction, review to confirm you're editing the opening balance entry and not any subsequent reconciled activity. If your books are locked by a closing date, you may need permission from your bookkeeper or accountant to proceed. That's it. By aligning the opening balance entry with your bank statement, the reconciliation tool will use the correct beginning balance and you can proceed without that frustrating mismatch. As a best practice, make a quick note in the memo field with the statement, date you matched, and keep your statement handy in case you need to reference it later. Thanks for watching and happy reconciling.